Alright guys, it's your boy Mo, back on another video. Today, I'm gonna try something called mochi ice cream. Never tried this before. It looks good, so let's give it a try. Let's get it. Which one is this one right here?
That one is coconut.
Coconut. Ooh, coconut. Let's see. On the outside, it's a little squishy, but the inside is gone. Where is it at? The coconut. It's very good. Super delicious. Got the little coconut taste with a little bit of, vanilla. Oh, amazing. Gives me some good little stars in my body. Woo! Let's give it another one. The mochi ice cream. Which one is this one?
Espresso.
Espresso. Look at it, guys. Look. The espresso. We already had the coconut right here. Coconut. Now the espresso. Let's see. Boy, this is my one right here. Espresso.
Show them the inside.
With the inside. Oh, man. Yo, if you like coffee, I like coffee. Coffee's banging. This is the one. Mochi ice cream espresso. Bomb. Now let's go for the other one. Let's see, which one is this one?
Salted caramel.
This one is salted caramel. Look at that. The salted caramel. Nah, that's not me, guys. I don't like this one. Too salty. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it like the espresso one or the coconut one. This one was, look at it, look. Nah, not for me. But it's good still, but nah, I'm not good for that. Which one, this one?
Raspberry crunch.
Got the raspberry crunch going on right there. You already know, guys, it's gonna be lit. Look at it, look at it, look. Oh, man. The bomb. Sweet. But good. Got the little crunchy in there. I heard it, you heard it? This is the second best right here. My first best, the espresso with the coffee. Strawberry, big strawberry, raspberry crunch, amazing. This one right here.
Pistachio.
Pistachio for all my pistachio lovers right here. The mochi ice cream pistachio coming in right now. It's gonna hit the spot. Y'all ready? Y'all ready, guys? Oh, I'm in love. This right here, salted caramel. Tastes like almost like a dessert that I like. It's called tres leche. No, dulce de leche. Amazing.
Man. Pistachio.
Oh, pistachios. Sorry about that, pistachio ice cream. But it's almost like a little bit like tres leche, you know. The last one. Y'all ready for this one? I'm ready. Yo, this mochi's ice cream, delicious. I'm ready for the last one, guys.
Vanilla chip.
Vanilla chip, the best for last. You see the chips inside? You see it? Best one for last.
Ooh, smelting.
Ooh, it's melting. Let's get it. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh man. Woo. Off the meters. That's it. Amazing. This one right here. It beat the espresso. It beat it. This one right here is awesome. Look at the drip. A drip. That was very good. Oh man, look at the drips. Look, you see the drips? Well, guys, I want to tell y'all thank you so much. I appreciate y'all. I'll be back with some more delicious videos. All right, catch y'all later. Peace.